pretty much the home screen of the application. Very, very easy to use, and you have pretty much a lot of templates which you can choose from and replicate. So all you have to do is just scroll and for what you want as it relates to templates. So let's say, for example, I would like to copy this image here, or hold the template that they have used to create this image here. As you can see here, this is the prompt that they have used and also the model that they have used to create this video. I can tap on try this prompt and I'll be able to replicate the same thing. So that's really pretty much it for that. And do make sure you sign in. If you don't sign in, you won't be able to copy the prompt. Exactly, we'll just redirect to the photo generated section. So here where it says creation is pretty much where you see all your generated photos. Once you have logged in, I haven't logged in, and as you can see here, I would have to log in using my Facebook, but I'm just going to skip that part out. So that's really pretty much it for that. There in the create section, this is pretty much where you go to create your AI. So if you're going to create a AI image, AI generated image, you can go to the AI generated image section. You have the AI image, the avatar, can create the avatar as well, and the AI video. So what we take a look at is the AI image generator. So if I do tap on this option here, you have 3 options you can choose from. I can create a new AI image, as well I can edit any AI or any images that I want to edit, or select change whatever I want to change in the image, and as well I can put 2 images together as well. So you'd have to use this option here where it says mixed images, but you're gonna need subscription. So anything that you see with the crown icon here, you're going to need subscription to use those features. So I'm gonna tap on the create new image option here. Here I'll be able to enter the prompt as it relates to what I want to generate using this AI application. So I can tap on this option here, which just pretty much gives me something if I don't have anything in mind to use or the cases. But let's enter cat, for example. As well down here, you pretty much, this is the option you would have to select the model that you'd like to use to generate your image. So there's a lot of AI models which you can use. All of them have different expertise. Some can generate videos better, some can generate images better. So do make sure look under here. As you can see here, it does give you an idea of what generates images better if you're going to generate an AI image. And you tap on this option here if you want to see other models within that specific AI model. So as you can see, a lot of different models as it reached within the same model here. And as you can see, it's a free one. So these other ones here are pretty much pro, so are subscription based. So you need a subscription to use those. And here are others as well, which you can use. You have the open AI section here. But do tap on, as you can see here, you have the normal image AI section. So let me just go back here real quick. So you have the normal image AI section, which you will choose, and you have the Google option here. As you can see here, you have another banana pro, and you have some other ones down here which you can use as well. So these are, popular ones which you can use. I don't see any clean AI, which is very popular as well. But yeah, you can use any one of these as well. But do keep in mind, select the best one that will give you the best result. You can pretty much read underneath here, and it will give you a description of that AI model. So that's really pretty much it for that. There you have the aspect ratio, which you can select. This one, you don't need any subscription for this, but as you can see here, you can select any one of these aspect ratio. And for the styles now, you can tap on this option here and go ahead and select whichever style you want to use. These are pretty much free ones, so you won't be able to have access to the subscription ones. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And this pretty much tells you how much images you want. If you want 1, if you want 2, you're going to need subscription to be able to access those other options where you can generate more than 1 images at a time. Here you can also select the camera angle as well. You're gonna need not subscription. These are pretty much free, I should say. These ones are free, so you can use any one of those here. So if you want an eyeball or fish eye camera view, you can use that as well. So every image that has been generated will be generated through this application here will go public, meaning we'll share on their application here so other people can view it and so forth. So if you don't want that, you may need to get the pro subscription to hide what you have generated. So that's really pretty much it for that there. Once you're finished setting up everything, just tap on generate here and it'll be good to go. Do make sure you sign in. Unlike me, I'm not signed in or anything like that. And over here you have the AI tools, which pretty much tells you or shows you all the AI tools that it offers. As you can see, I can't go through everything, but these pretty much explains themselves. So as you can see here, this does remove the background. You have the expand option. You have the blur image, remove blur image. You have the remove anything out of any images. You have the image to avatar. You have the image text to image. You have the image to video, and so forth. So most of these you're going to need subscriptions. So as it relates to the subscription for this application here, this is pretty much the subscription page. As you can see here, the prices as it relates to the subscription and how much credits to be getting. You do get the weekly subscription or the monthly subscription. So, and what to be getting basically. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, see you in the next one.